Good morning, buongiorno, from Matera, here in Basilicata, southern Italy. My time in Matera is almost about to end, but before I go to keep exploring deeper into Basilicata, there is one more thing here I have to check out. You see, guys, Matera is overlooking this gorgeous, beautiful ravine with amazing, mysterious caves on the other side. In those caves, people have been living for tens of thousands of years. We're gonna head down from this gate over there, all the way down to the river, through this beautiful Tibetan bridge, and up and up and up to the caves overlooking Matera. I'm excited. This is it, guys. That's the way down. Let's go. Down and down we go. Through the mysterious gate. And here is the route we're gonna take. You see? Torrente Gravina. That's the name of the river. Wow. Look at this beautiful piece of nature, guys. This is Lord of the Rings kind of an adventure. I feel like Frodo and the ring and Sam. Only there's no Sam, it's only me here. Look how they tie up the rock so that it won't fall on my head. Municipality of Matera, thank you. Thank you for protecting me. I would put Lord of the Rings music now if it wasn't copyright. I'm just gonna look for the next best thing and put it right now. If it rained today, I would probably skip this because those stones are probably so slippery when it's raining. Luckily, it hasn't been raining for a few days. This is beautiful. Now I understand Frodo. I can already hear the river. Beautiful. Oh man, I'm gonna have to climb all the way up. Let's not think about that. Let's not think about that. Don't think about that. Whoop. Vale? Vale la pena?
Sì, il ritorno è dura.
Eh sì. Ma non sei andato giù?
No, sono arrivato subito dopo il ponte. Poi.
E basta per te?
Sì, sì, sì.
Allora.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao. Okay, almost made it through. Whoever said that going down is easier than climbing up was a liar and a fool. Okay, almost there, almost there, almost there. Almost on safe grounds. Almost. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, we made it to the bottom of the valley. Way up there is Matera. Let's go see the river. I bet in the summertime you can actually swim here, right? Just wrap your head around the fact that people have been strolling in this valley for hundreds of thousands of years, right? People have been living here in those caves for really tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of years. Now we're gonna head to the bridge and climb up to the caves. That's the plan. Hopefully it will hold us and not collapse. Exciting. I don't know if I ever stepped on such a bridge before. Look at this. So beautiful, huh? Whoop! Up and up we go to the bridge. Here we are. Cross at your own risk, as they say. Okay, let's make sure this is stable Yes, this looks good. Okay, we're good, I think. This looks a bit shady, but okay. Let it pass. Wow, it is shaking like a motherfucker. Ciao ragazze. Ciao. Whoa. It's so shaky. And we reached safely to the other side. What the hell is this? Italians, what the hell is this? Holding it with a duct tape. Everything that's holding this bridge. Some duct tapes. No, I'm kidding, but still, this looks pretty shady. But we made it. Okay. And now, up we go. This is so beautiful to see Matera up there. Look, even kids can do this. Oh! How is it? Worth it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, you're halfway there. You gotta.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm just telling my viewers that I'm scared, and I see your children are. It's nothing for them, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm so scared.
They don't know as much about fear, I don't think, just
okay.
yet at that young age, right? So.
Well, they're surely braver than I.
They still think they're invincible. But yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah, I think that's the best part, though.
It's pretty cool.
Check out the duct tape. I'm not even kidding. There's actual duct tape there, just for extra security, you know. Hello. Hi. Enjoy. Wow, guys. Would you look at that? Just beautiful. Okay. By the way, this valley, guys, it's called La Murgia. That's the name of this beautiful valley. This beautiful ravine. Okay. Up and up we go. This is where we headed, to the caves. Okay, now we have options. We can go the steep and quicker way, or the shallow and slow way. Of course, I'm gonna pick the shallow, cause this is for pros. And I'm not a pro, far from it. Luckily, the view is so beautiful. It really keeps your mind elsewhere. Reminds me not to ever do this again. Thank you. What keeps me going in those hard times is the pasta I'm gonna eat for lunch. I'm gonna make pasta alla griscia, which is with pork guanciale, some cheese, some black pepper. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. We're right there. Now we're here. Ci sei?
Sì, sì. Ci sono.
Okay. Whoa. It's quite a big rock. Doesn't look too stable, I must say. This actually looks like a perfect place to rest a little bit. Not too bad of a view, right? We're all rested up, ready to move on. It's so chilly and nice outside. I think it's like 12 or maybe 14 degrees Celsius. Wow. So pretty. I need to go down and then get back up. Let me know in the comments if you like those kind of videos, like more nature videos. Not gonna go to big hikes or anything, but if that's something you like, me endangering my life, let me know in the comments. Attenzione, do not lean out. Okay, okay, I won't. And here are the caves, the famous caves overlooking Matera. Here they are. Wow, look at that. Here it is. Wow, guys, people lived here. Can you imagine? Just maybe a bed here, a pit for maybe toilet here. Yes, and the view. Of course, 10,000 years ago, this wasn't the same view, but still, what a view. There's another one. Let's check it out. Look at this ancient piece of rock. Wow, and look at that one. You don't want this falling on you. That's for sure. Wow. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. The view from those caves. Wow. I mean, the camera can't really represent what you can see from here. In real life, it's just... I'm speechless. I mean, I'd live here. I just put the door, a bed, some nice floors. Yeah, I could live here, no problem. Wow, guys, look at this one. It's huge. Let's go and check it out. This one has 1, 2, 3 room apartment. And look at the view. This is beautiful. This would be my kitchen. This would be my bedroom. Oh, and someone wrote, Io amo cibo. Most Italian thing you can write. I love food. Anyway, this one is so beautiful. And look at this decorative piece of nature-made sculpture right here in your window. Now, what you need to think about is that, like those caves here, the other side of the valley also had endless caves. And this is how Matera came to be, because what you would see here is not all these structures, these houses, but thousands of caves and caves where human dwelled. So when you look at those caves on this side of the valley, they actually tell the story of that side of the valley. The story of Matera, a city that was born inside caves, and people lived in those caves up until 50 years ago, which is insane to think about. People lived like this in the 1950s. Okay, I think that's it for now. Now we're gonna head back down through the bridge and back up to Matera and to my pasta, which is waiting for me. I'm so hungry. Now the main goal is to reach to the other side in one piece. Good luck. Beautiful piece of nature and beautiful piece of man-made wonder. Okay, I'm gonna pack the camera and go all the way down, and I'll see you on the bridge. Hopefully the duct tapes are still holding it tight. I'll see you in a bit downstairs. Ciao, ciao. Still here. Don't let us down, Mr. Duct Tape. Okay, guys. Almost at the top. Can't believe I did all of that. Climbed way up there. It's pretty insane. Here it is, the end. Yes, I made it. Good for me. Also, guys, It's very slippery, so do not do this after rainy days or in rainy days. Okay, and this is it, the last step to Matera. And I'm back in Matera. Okay guys, it's been really amazing, the journey way up there. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you are in Matera, definitely do this. It's an amazing experience. Ciao, see you on the next video. Bye.